There's probably a lot of crows in the area. With God as my witness, someone wrote down crow, right? And I've seen a bunch of crows in the tree. Look at this snake statue. I think these guys did it in a way to attract crows on purpose. Like my pyramid attracts hawks and turkey vultures and turkeys. My dad brought him a lot of birds when we were younger. And the rangers complained about it disturbing the natural balance. And some of them were obviously from the snake temple, I'd say, wouldn't you? Look at that part. Beautiful. See I'm more focused on this right now. So there's ducks, beautiful ducks, beautiful. Sorry for talking my way, it's not very common. So I myself am calming down. Now, what were we saying about the environment? Something about beaches and ponds and the people who are nines who want to control the environment. So when you come for relief in a way that is natural, when you start walking toward the path toward Egypt, they want to redirect you to Rome and say, oh, pass into Rome. So what does this statue symbolize? Isn't that not a snake-like creature? It's not choking and wrapping, okay? Look at carefully. There's different ways to interpret the statue. Let's find in the scripture, shall we? We're here off El Camino, Cypress Lawn Cemetery, almost in Frisco. I want to give all you liberals a message, all you cultists. I conquered your ancestors. In the name of black power, I'm right here, nigga. I conquered you cheaters. Dehydrated? You hid behind the law enforcement community, partnerships at certain for-profit colleges, mental health communities, political groups, all the little groups that white people control, and all your little foundations, the Round Table Business Group, the Business Roundtable rather, the Trilateral Commission, the Freemasonic Lodges, the Scottish Rite, the York Rite, even the Shriners were helping you out. Every secret society that pledges allegiance to serpent cowards like you, their greater networks all hid like bitches, sending me covert insults and denying Judah their rightful place. So here I am in your snake temple, you bitch-ass niggas, and I ask you again, what the fuck you want to do? Up to $100,000, 50 just to show, 10,000 if you can win, sparring, ancient combat. You slithering snakes, you want to choke people on and roll around on the ground like a snake. Light contact, light temple, not snake temple. You want to be buried in a snake statue? Under a snake statue? Statue, state to you, state to you, statue. State of mind. You're in an apep state of mind and you want to be buried in an apep cemetery like a little old snake. And I'm Chukwuemeka, the top martial artist. And I swear to God, no one can beat me, and I have the apeps hiding with their poison drugs, cheating with substances and materials that they've learned from military Cold Wars, conflicts, propaganda campaigns, and of course, indecorous psychological operations that make great men hold their heads down at the thought that they're the same race as these sniveling, indignant knaves who are ultra vile excrement straight from the belly of apepian trash. Thank you. Look at this Big Mac look, nigga. I'm out here, nigga. We run this shit, homie. It's Egypt, homie. As long as I'm alive, California is Egypt. As long as the spirit of Biafra survives, we are Egypt. And when we die, the earth dies. We are Osiris. We are Ebo, Obi-essence, Ebo essence. Not the essence of snake, cowardly, serpent-ass, cheating-ass, Jafar-ass bitches, loke. I might joke about it, but I come in peace. And everything I do is consistent with sacred morality, Ebo, divine war arts, the Scorpion King and all our ancestors. You think this is snake tendency?